Zach made a 6,000 pound statue of himself and decided to crane it into our yard as a gift.
So we can't take it out unless we get a crane.
Zach loves iPhones and Apple so much.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
Like, what in the world?
Look at this. This needs to go in my pocket.
Thanks, Zach, for helping us be part of our iPhone 12 What's Inside video. Super helpful. Now, here we go. Do not puncture your iPhone!
Welcome back to What's Inside. I'm Lincoln and this is Dan, and today we are going to see what's inside the brand new iPhone 12.
I think we have the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro, 256 gigabytes. How many iPhones have we done What's Inside videos on before, Lincoln?
One.
And why did we do that iPhone?
Because it had the poop emoji or the ice cream emoji. We went to an ice cream store and we put chocolate ice cream over it, which is really cool.
We only do What's Inside of iPhone videos when they are interesting and they have something unique. The poop emoji, that is amazing. We had to put ice cream on it, and that
was the first iPhone with like the full screen and the Face ID.
Wasn't it iPhone 10 or X?
X.
iPhone X. Now we've got iPhone XII right here.
Yep.
Or 12.
12 sounds better.
You don't know your Roman numerals. Today's video is sponsored by Anker, and they're actually a brand that we have used for years, like seriously. Anker is the #1 fast charging brand in America. They're a very important component to getting a new iPhone 12 because look how thin this box is. This is
never
new.
seen a box like that.
Usually, you put two of these together, it's still smaller than what just one iPhone usually looks like. That's because they left some things out of the box that are super important. This little guy. This box only charges at 5 watts, where the little boxes that we've been using for years, this guy right here, the Anker Nano, it charges 3 times faster than the original Apple charging box, which is this guy right here. This charges at 5 watts, this charges at 20 watts. Anker is the #1 fast charging selling brand in America. They make fast charging, high quality chargers that aren't going to break the bank. These are actually really not that expensive. If you look right here, you see IQ3. This is Anker's patented technology that helps this thing charge incredibly fast. You can charge an iPhone, a tablet, a Samsung device, whatever it might be, at a super fast rate because of the patented IQ3 technology. If you got an iPhone 12, you're going to need this box. Go get it. The link is in the description, and you'll get more than 10% off. Thank you, Anker, for sponsoring this video. We want to see what's inside of this phone, and if you watched our video from a couple of days ago, we did the MagSafe charger. This is it right here.
Yes.
This is a key component to the iPhone 12 because this is a wireless way that they charge right now with the Qi Wireless.
And there's no charger inside the iPhone 12 box.
There's no charging box inside of there. So we tore this thing down and we found all the magnets inside. You'll have to go and watch the video, but there were magnets inside of here. And in today's video, we want to find the matching companion magnets inside of the iPhone 12 Pro. Oh, whoa, that is shiny.
That's really cool.
Look, oh my, okay.
Whoa,
okay.
Like, what in the world?
Look at this. This needs to go in my pocket.
The sides are like a older iPhone.
I think it was the iPhone 4.
Yeah.
That's how we filmed our very first videos. Oh my gosh. I didn't have a tripod. I just set it on the countertop with the cable plugged in. And as I was cutting the golf balls, this thing would shake slowly and it would move and I'd have to reach over and put it back into shape.
This is amazing.
Take a look at that. Feel it, Lincoln.
I like how shiny it is.
This phone is gorgeous. This is the best looking iPhone that they have ever made. I'm gonna say it. This design is killer and the gold on the side. How can you ever put a case on this when you've got that beautiful gold right there? Oh my gosh. Okay, Apple, good job on the design. I'm actually sad to have to destroy this, but I have some really unique ways that we're gonna cut this open. All right, this is the camera right here. Right now we're rolling. Oh my gosh, I am cutting this off. I had surgery a week ago and I've been really lazy. This is like the first time I've filmed some stuff. Wow, okay. So I'm going to vlog and see what it would be like. Hi, Zach, I see Zach in the thing. He's up there. We're vlogging. This is so fun. Hi. Oh, you're still working. Look.
Yeah, it works.
Okay. What if I drop it to the bottom? Where'd it? Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to be swimming after my surgery. Oh, there it is. That doesn't feel comfortable. I shouldn't be swimming a week after appendix surgery, and I could feel it in my stomach with every kick with my shoe. Okay, I gotta go to the bottom. Again, we've determined you can swim with your phones. So when you get your iPhone 12s, make sure you jump in the pool right away.
Yes.
And go swimming with it. And if it wrecks, you don't blame us, blame Apple. This is the Zach statue right here. It's very large. Inside of it, he hid something that is crazy that really encourages us to want to take it apart and cut it open. But just imagine taking a sledgehammer to your sidewalk. Like, that wouldn't be an easy thing to break off an entire thing of your sidewalk or your driveway. That's basically what this is. This is all sidewalk. This is all concrete. We need a stability thing for this so that we can actually cut it open. Full transparency, I've never used one of these tools. This is what you use for framing and construction. Hold the fancy phone. Okay, it is somewhat armed. Finger off the trigger.
I don't like this very much. It's kind of scary.
You seeing this? And when you put the nail in, this should be ready to go.
Okay.
Okay, phone, since Apple is always the butt of your jokes. Now, Apple is literally the butt. Here we go. All right, should I do it right there?
Yeah, I don't like this. Close your eyes.
Oh yeah, I gotta go a little higher. Okay, yeah, I'll look away. 3, 2, 1. Doesn't work. Okay, let's see. Let's do it.
This one was a fail.
Oh, that was scary. Oh, I got it. I know. I got it.
Oh my God!
Look at it! What's weird is that the phone is cracked, but under there's some sort of protective layer on the top. You don't feel the bumps on the outside.
That's smart.
Except for up here on the deeper grooves.
That was like a gunshot. Oh, it's cracked.
We cracked his butt. We got him a butt crack right there. Oh, you meant the phone?
Yeah.
All right, we have our trusty Dremel. This is a tool I did not know existed, and I never would have known existed if it wasn't for YouTube. A lot of you guys are like, use a Dremel, and then finally I figured it out. It's like this magic tool, not sponsored by Dremel. We need to get the magnets out. Luckily, there's some strong stability on Zach's left cheek here, and so I think it's gonna hold it up there pretty steady. Maybe we cut down here first, then we cut up here. We make a square Apple phone and we try not to hit the magnets. It's just gonna be a guessing game here, so we'll start on the bottom. Lincoln, can you run in and grab some safety goggles? All right, let's get those magnets.
Oh no!
Oh no! Zach! Don't catch on fire, Zach!
Oh my God!
I didn't mean to catch his butt on fire.
Oh my God!
I think some gas came out of here and flamed the spark.
No!
How are we gonna get this off?
Move away. It's breaking the glass right now.
Okay. Zach, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to catch you on fire.
I've never seen a phone on fire.
We barely even cut it with the Dremel, and look at this.
Oh my gosh! It's literally on fire. That's a fire.
Back
Back
up, back up, back up.
There it is!
Back up.
Back up.
Zach, I'm sorry! I didn't mean to do this to you!
Kara!
Oh, my 12 is on fire!
My gosh!
Do not puncture your iPhone!
What?
Ah!
No!
Oh! Zach, I'm sorry. I did not mean to do this. I mean, I meant to put it on your butt. I didn't mean to catch your butt on fire. Oh, there's the magnets. It's coming out. That's what I was trying to do. That's what I was trying to get out. Is the batteries, the magnets. I can see it. That's kind of scary how easily your phone can actually catch on fire. Because obviously I had a Dremel to it. Like, don't puncture your phones ever. Don't puncture lithium-ion batteries.
Look at that.
It was not fully charged. But still, we've cut open a few phones before. We've never seen it catch on fire like that. I don't think we've got a Samsung thing going on here.
No, but
I'm not gonna claim that.
You cut through half of the phone.
With a Dremel, seriously. At the same time, It's a little worrisome that your phones can catch on fire, but we tried at the Tesla. We shot the batteries with a metal-tipped arrow. I threw it off the roof and it never caught on fire. I cut the battery in half, a Tesla battery in half. I mean, what happens if you like puncture, you drop it too hard, something happens with the battery? Is it gonna catch on fire? If it's not clear by like all of the videos we do, don't try this at home. Don't try to destroy your iPhone. We do this so you don't have to. We actually trademarked that. Like, we cut stuff open so you don't have to. We want to see the magnets, so we're going in. It's been a while, I think. All right, the back of this. Here's some of the glass. Comes out quite easily now. When we did do the Samsung S8, I think is what it was, it did start to spark a little bit, but the battery did not have flames, and I was really impressed with Samsung for that.
Hey, I can see some of it.
Oh, dude, we wanted to see those, and now we're basically there. We don't even have to cut the phone in half to do it. It's right there. Like, here is the coil.
If you're going to have magnets on the side of your phone, you probably want it to be closer to the back than more inside the phone. So I guess that it should be further out.
All right, so here's the wireless charging coils. It's connected with this little connector. Just pulled that off. Of course, it needs to be on the end there. Where's our magnets? I swear I saw them a minute ago.
That was a coil, I think.
Where's the magnets? I don't know, but do magnets catch on fire? Yeah, are they flammable? Did the magnets cause that more than the battery did? No, we were halfway through the battery right there when it actually caught on fire. There's the spot. We're very scientific here. Where's the magnets? Do magnets catch on fire? Are they flammable? That's kind of the question right now. I'm really not seeing any. And I swear I could see some earlier. I mean, we're all the way through to the screen. That's the screen of the iPhone 12 Pro. Why is there no magnets? Did we buy the wrong phone?
No.
Was this an iPhone 12?
Yeah, it's an iPhone 12 Pro.
Here we go. Do magnets catch on fire? Magnet fire can lead to rapid and uncontrolled release of stored energy, producing significant energy loss. What happens if I burn a magnet? Not only would the magnet break, but the resulting dust from the magnet is very flammable. Neodymium magnets should never be burned, as burning them will create toxic fumes. Everybody's afraid of a virus, and we're over here breathing in magnet fumes from Zach's butt. I mean, we really did see what's inside of the phone, and for some reason it was incredibly flammable. Well, it's a lithium-ion battery that we cut with a Dremel, but it was definitely more flammable than I thought. I don't know if it's a combination between the magnets and the lithium-ion batteries that caused that. Did they catch on fire? We're gonna leave this up to you guys and to the internet. Maybe our friend regular human Zach can help us out with that and let us know about magnets. I'm sure he's gonna be doing a teardown video in the next couple of days, and let's see if he can find the magnets for the MagSafe. Stay tuned for Zach's teardown video. We'll put a link to his channel if you already didn't know who this big guy is. Thank you, Anker, for sponsoring this video.
Thanks.
Check the link in the description right now for the Anker Nano. You can get over 10% off via our link. And this was not what we expected to happen.
Nope. Very unique.
2020 is a weird year. Now look what we did to Zach's butt. Did you see what was happening inside?
I took some pictures. I saw fire from the corner of my eye and I'm like, oh my gosh, you lit his bum on fire.
I didn't mean to catch it on fire.
Really?
I promise. No, I didn't mean to catch it on fire. I was trying to cut it in half.
I thought you were gonna like put it on the side. I didn't know you were doing it right in the
I didn't know I was either.
It's a bit
It's kind of
much.
high.
I'm surprised it didn't like crack it all the way. That's awesome.
What?
I don't think
What did
he's
you say
gonna
about
be
his butt crack?
Nothing. I don't know if he's gonna be happy about this.
Yeah,
this
but
situation.
Apple is always the butt of his jokes.
It's true. That's true. This is gonna be like this forever now. What are we gonna?
We're gonna destroy it at some point. It makes sense. Like Apple's always in his videos.
It's true. I know.
This wasn't planned to do this.
I have to say it was super clever. This is very clever of you.
Oh.
I think he'll appreciate it
Okay.
in his own way.
Zach, I hope you appreciate it in your own way. Please don't beat me up. You're a lot stronger than me. Magnets don't exist.
I like how shiny it is.
He does love apples.